Good morning everyone. We'll start with class 6, subject social science. We'll start with civics, chapter 2nd, that is prejudice, discrimination and inequality. So today we are going to discuss about diversity in a negative way, then prejudice and stereotypes. So you have read about diversity in the previous chapter. You have seen how in India diversity exists in terms of religion, language, food, dress, dance, music, etc. You also read how diversity arises because geographical and historical factor. Sometimes diversity is not appreciated in society. Quite often people who are different are teased or laughed at or are not included in the group. Such behavior hurts people, make them sad or even angry. So have you ever seen or experienced such situations? In this chapter, we will explore ways such things happen in a society. So first we discuss diversity in a negative way. Diversity means the state of being different. When people do not respect differences amongst them, diversity leads to disagreement and thus disunity. Diversity can also create disunity amongst people. Usually people feel safe and secure among people who look, talk and dress like them. They may not always feel comfortable with those who look different or speak a different language. Sometimes when we meet people who are very different from us, we may not expect them as one of us. So first we understand prejudice. Sometimes people develop negative attitude and opinions about other people or groups who are not like them without any real basis. Unreasonable dislikes or negative opinion are called prejudice. A prejudice arises when someone is prejudged in a negative way or is considered as inferior because of some pro-convinced idea. Over a period of time, prejudices become very strong and may lead to harmful situation. Now let us go back to the let us begin section. At the beginning of this chapter, read out the words used to describe the rural and the urban women. You may find that the response of the student in your class might be quite similar. Our opinion about the rural women may be very different in a comparison to the urban women. When we form negative opinion about a person based on their appearance, language, etc., it leads to prejudice. Things about which may be prejudiced: religious belief, differences of complexion, religion, regional difference, linguistic differences, economic status, that is rich and poor, physical appearance. Consequences of forming prejudice: when we form prejudices, it affects relationship and lead to disunity among people. Looking other as inferior, showing disrespect to them, avoid making friends with them. Such behavior hurt the feeling of others. As a result, it prevents the development of healthy relationships and lead to tensions in society. So prejudices are not for any society. We must avoid prejudging people and forming opinion about them. Prejudices are obstacles in forming good relationship with people. Look at this question. Look around in your neighborhood and identify some prejudices people hold against each other. How do people treat each other? How does this affect relationship? Is it good for people to treat each other in this manner? This is your homework and you have to learn. It's compulsory to all. Thank you.